Hi guys! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito po ang aking reading para sa mga Cancer. This is for December 2020 up to January 2021 reading for Cancer. This is in a relationship reading. So take what resonates because this is general love reading. Pwede kayong hindi makaresonate dito. Kung makakaresonate ka, kunin mo lang kung saan ka makaka-resonate, okay? Kasi pwedeng hindi ka 100% makaresonate dito. So, start na po natin. We have here Ace of Swords as your person's main energy and yung main energy mo is the Magician. Pero syempre, pwede magkapalit-palit yung roles. So, bahala ka nang ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. So, for what I can see here, we have here Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy sa and also, pero wag kayo mag-base to na. I see Libra energy here. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. So, nakikita ko po dito, by the way, yung person mo is like having this kind of words na masasabi sa'yo na hindi mo, you feel like niloloko ka or medyo may kahina-hinala. Okay? There's this, pwedeng hindi words, pwedeng action that you feel like yung person mo, maaaring you feel like yung person mo is niloloko ka, may kinikitang iba, mas bata sa'yo, okay? Pwedeng ganon. Or, you're feeling like yung person mo is, yung mga words talaga siya or certain action na nakakasakit na. Okay? And the Magician feels like, hindi mo pinapakita dito sa person na ito kung ano talaga yung totoong nasa emotion mo. Like you're concealing it. Okay? Maaaring nagdududa ka na or for some of you, there's a lot of pain. And we have your Cancer energy with the Chariot. And yeah, for some of you, may mga kutob eh. But there's a lot of love here with the Ace of Cups. And we have here the High Priest and the Empress. Okay, for some of you, iniisip mo talaga, you know your worth. You know your worth. Alam mo yung halaga mo. Alam mo kung ano ka. Alam mo kung gaano ka ka-special at gaano ka kagaling. But then, hindi mo masabi kasi itong person na ito, maaaring, I feel like someone here is may nagbabantay. Okay? I feel like yung person may bagay naman kayo eh. For some of you, you're a perfect match. But then, there's this feeling with a relationship pattern na may mga inuulit-ulit siyang, sabihin na natin kung hindi action or words na ito, na inuulit-ulit niya, na for you is like, bakit paulit-ulit? Bakit? Yeah. And yun yung nagkakos sa'yo para i-judge or para pag-isipan ng hindi maganda itong person na ito because of those actions. Kasi hindi ka sigurado kung ano ba talaga yung totoo. Maaaring may mga bagay kang iniisip or pinagdududahan towards your person. Kasi maaaring may mga hint ka rin with the look at your inner strength. I feel like may mga nakikita ka pwedeng sa social media or you're in pain because of these little actions. For some of you, these are just little actions na nakakasakit para sa'yo. Maaaring hindi nakikita ng ibang tao or for other people na around you, nakikita na you're just okay, na wala naman nangyayari sa relationship mo. Pero for some of you, medyo madamdamin na ang feeling mo is medyo nagdadamdam ka na hindi nalalaman ng iba. You're showing other people na you're happy, you're in a happy relationship, but with what I can see here, maaaring may mga bagay silang hindi alam or nakikita sa'yo. Like, alam mo, nagdududa ka na pala or hindi ka na pala okay. Things like that. Yeah, and I see you spending your time, a lot of your time sa phone mo. And because of that, affected ka dun sa mga nawa-watch mo. For some of you, you like watching K-dramas. For some of you, you just like watching videos on Facebook na medyo nakakaiyak. Or for some of you, pwedeng tulfo ito na wina-watch mo. And then, apektado ka din sa mga nangyayari sa issues sa buhay nila. And ina-apply mo rin yun sa sarili mo. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito yung parang, I don't know. I feel like for some of you, I'm sorry to say, but I see an immature person here. Pero konti lang naman. Okay? So, maaaring nagpapaapekto ka sa mga issues ng iba and then naia-apply mo sa relationship nyo. Kaya ang nangyayari, there's this feeling na parang gusto mo kasing inaamo ka eh. Gusto mo yung feeling pag nagsosorry siya sa'yo. Gusto mo yung feeling pag nagbibigay siya ng attention sa'yo. Dahil, pag nagtatampo ka, binibigyan ka ng attention, binibigyan ka ng love, binibigyan ka ng support, and dun mo nararamdaman yung sincerity, yung love. Kaya, I feel like most of the time, maaaring may times na nagiging ganun ka. And, we have here reconciliation. I would like to clarify that first. What's with the reconciliation, please? Yeah, there's someone in your past. I don't feel like this is with regards to your relationship, pero there's someone in your past na would like to give you love. I mean, this person really loves you. This person really loves you. Hindi nga lang niya masabi kasi maaaring pwede nga dumalo pa ito sa kasal niyo eh. For some of you, if you are married, pwedeng isa siya sa guest mo. Pero hindi mo alam na may gusto pala siya sa'yo. But there's someone in your past right now. Okay? Kaya lang, syempre, hindi niya kayang ibigay yung mga pangangailangan ng person na naibibigay ng person mo ngayon. That's why, nakatago lang siya sa shadow. Pero nag-i-stock pa rin itong person na ito. Okay? So, we have your 8 of Wands, 5 of Swords, and Queen of Swords. Okay? So, I see Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, Virgo energy. I feel like there's a lot of you na parang, I don't know, medyo yung emotion na nakukuha ko is that parang may mga times na naririndi yung person mo because of how you talk or how you kahit hindi fight kahit you talk lang. Kasi may times na talagang medyo yung tenga ay nagpipintig. Yun yung nakukuha ko dito. And it feels like you have to, I mean the advice is like you have to lie low your voice. Medyo huwag mong tinisan or huwag mong lakasan because your person really hears you. And kung may mga bagay siyang paulit-ulit na ginagawa, alam niya yon. And maaaring hindi niya lang mapigilan or hindi niya lang magawa ng panang paraan sa ngayon. For some of you, pwede kasi yung person mo is nag-ano-ano pa, yung feeling college pa or medyo immature pa nga siya. But yeah, it costs you a lot of pain with the 9 of Swords. It costs you a lot of burden. And there are times na talaga naghihintay ka sa pagtulog dito sa person na ito. Maybe has something to do because of your distance right here. Pwedeng magkalayo kayo. Pero I see a lot of love dito sa person mo. Protection, kaya kanyang protektahan or ibigay yung mga pangangailangan mo. Kaya lang may mga times lang talaga na napapalihis siya ng landas. For some of you, pwedeng oo, totoo, may mga babae dito, umaaligid. Or medyo yung type lang kasi ng person mo is like medyo babaero talaga siya. But this person really loves you and would like to give you protection and for some of you material things. Yeah. And with the Strength card right here, yun yung nagpapatatag sa inyo sa relationship nyo. Yung distance for some of you, the more na lumalapit kayo or napapalapit kayo sa isa't isa, yung mga pagkukulang ng mga nakaraan na mga hindi kayo nakita or walang doon man nakukuha So much better, it feels like much better na mas closer kayo or there are times na maghihiwalay kayo. I mean, tama lang. Okay? So mas okay kung magkakahiwalay kayo saglit and then magkikita kayo. Mas doon yung relationship or nagwo-work yung relationship. Hindi kayo pwedeng every day or every night or 24 hours magkasama. Okay? Kasi nagkakos ng fight. Hindi rin naman kayo pwedeng miles and miles and miles apart most of the time. Dahil dun rin nagkakos ng pag-aaway. So, parang ang okay sa inyo is yung tama lang. Magkikita, I mean, yeah, magkikita, you know that. You know how you would handle the situation. Pero ang nakikita ko is that there's this feeling na mas okay yung relationship kung hindi kayo magkikita most of the time or 24 hours magkikita. Kung baga may distance like halimbawa several hours or kung days, ganyan, weeks, ganyan, but not years, ganyan. Kasi medyo nahihirapan kayong i-work out yung relationship pag ganon. And with the Queen of Wands, we have here Queen of Wands, King of Wands, Queen of Swords, and King of Swords. For some of you, you might be dealing with a person na ano mo dito na sabihin na natin soulmate or twin flame connection. Pwedeng ganon. Pwedeng ganon. Pwedeng yun yung kadil mo. But then, I mean, I feel like the love is real. Kung ano man yung emotion na yan. Let's get more cards for you. Yeah, this person really loves you. This person really loves you. Kaya lang may mga bagay kayong hindi for some of you, pwedeng may distance talaga kasi. And there are times na may mga bagay na kailangan ayusin sa inyong dalawa na kailangan nyo ng pag-uusap talaga. Kailangan nyo ng clarification. Okay? Kasi maaaring, sinasabi ko nga sa'yo, meron kang mga words na hindi nasasabi sa kanya na maaaring pinapakita mong hindi naman talaga totoo. Like you're okay with it, pero hindi ka naman pala okay dun sa ginawa niya yun. You have to pinpoint that para maiwasan yung gulo. Kasi maaaring pag nagkaroon ng gulo, tsaka mo lang masasabi lahat ng iniipon-ipon mo. Huwag mong ipunin. Maganda yung pautay-utay. Unti-unti, oy, hindi ko nagustuhan yung ginawa mo. Pero, I'm not saying na you correct this person. You just say tell him or her kung ano yung totoong naramdaman mo. Sabihin mo, kasi masakit nasasaktan ako. Yun lang. But, nevertheless, wag mo nang pahabain din yung conversation because I feel like yung person mo is not the kind of person na, gusto na chit-chat, ganyan. Pinpoint mo agad. Bakit sabihin na natin, bakit ka may sama na loob sa akin? Bakit masama loob mo? Sabihin mo agad. Wag mo nang paligoy-ligoy. Kasi na-feel ko dito yung medyo nagkakarindihan Dito yung rindihan. And yung person mo naman is the more of kind of person na medyo action ng action or mabilis ang action. Okay? Or padalos-dalos ng words. So, ipinpoint mo agad. And we have here, pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Yes. This is actually pertaining to your person na may mga sign, maaaring may mga sign kang naipapakita sa kanya na hindi mo talaga gusto yung ginawa niya, but then hindi niya yun nakikita. Hindi niya yun nararamdaman. Kaya you have to pinpoint it at sabihin sa kanya para maiwasan. Okay? Ito yung inaano natin is para maiwasan yung gulo or yung away dito. But there's a lot of love here. Okay? So, ang kailangan lang is yung malawak na understanding between the two of you. So, that's it for now, Cancer. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Maraming salamat po.